In this video, I'm going to show you 2 cool ways that you can customize your Photoshop workspace to make it work for you.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. As always, stick around to the end of the video for a bonus tip. Alright, I don't know about you, but I'm really particular when it comes to my workspaces, and Photoshop is no exception. So today I wanted to take a moment to show you 2 ways that you can customize your Photoshop workspace to meet your needs. So let's do it. I'm working in Photoshop version 22.4.2, so if yours is older or newer, it might look slightly different. Okay, so the first customization I want to show you is the darker interface. I like this darker workspace option because I find that text and other things pop a bit more with the darker layout. You can get this darker layout by going to Preferences, Interface, and choosing the first color theme option. The second option here is Photoshop's default, and the last 2 here I feel are a little too light and kind of hard to read, so I usually avoid them. So pick the first one to get a little darker, and have your work area pop a bit more. So that's the first customization. The second one I want to show you is the custom background color. So the area behind the canvas here is what I'm calling the background. And that's right, you can change this color. I worked in Photoshop a long time before realizing this. Change it by clicking on the background here and holding down Control on a Mac or Command on a PC, and pulling up this little menu. In it, you can choose from a variety of grays, or you can even pick your own favorite color, like so. Cool, huh? Gray is obviously the least distracting option if you're working on photos, but maybe you're working on a graphic or a logo and you want to see your design against different colors. Or sometimes it's just fun to redecorate your workspace. That's reason enough. So the next time you need to spice up your Photoshop workspace, keep these 2 customizations in mind. Alright, let's do the bonus tip. Now you have 2 new ways to adjust the appearance of your Photoshop workspace. Here's one more. Did you know that if you have more than one document open, you can arrange them side by side or even one over the other by going to Window, Arrange, and selecting the corresponding tile option. So, for example, you can save your original photo as a separate file, and then use this option to easily see the changes you're making side by side against the original. And there are several other options in the Arrange menu too that might work for you. So take a moment to check out the Arrange section, because that Float All in Windows or Match Zoom could be the best workspace hack you have yet to discover. Alrighty, if you found any of this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted, and I will catch you next time.